Welcome back, warriors. Do you want to be free in life? Not just free to spend, but free to breathe. Free from bills stacking up, free from debt drowning you, and free from stress stealing your sleep. If the answer is yes, then this video is your turning point. Today, I'm giving you 5 powerful steps to break the chains of financial slavery and walk boldly toward financial freedom. Being financially free does not come to the lazy, but it's earned by the bold, the strong, and the relentless. You were built for much more in life, to lead, to conquer, and to own your future. Deep down inside, you know this to be true. Let's get into it. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Write down this scripture from Proverbs 22 verse 7, which states, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender." There was a time I was waking up at 3 a.m., not for the grind, but from fear. I'd stare at my phone with credit card alerts and overdraft notices, all while pretending during the day that everything was fine. That wasn't life, but that was bondage. Then it hit me. I was living like a slave and not a child of the Most High. You need a complete and total mindset shift. Break your mental chains before you break the financial ones. You've got to declare war on the lie that debt is normal. I know it's common, but we should not stay in bondage when God designed us for authority and dominion over this earth. You weren't meant to be stuck under the weight of debt or caught in a loop of barely making ends meet. Shift your mindset and your income will follow. Step 2. Command every dollar. Let's cut through the noise. Most people think they know where their money's going until their card declines, their account's empty, and they're left with that brutal question, where did all my money go? That question isn't harmless, but it's a red flag. It means your money is calling the shots, and you're not the one in control. I've been there. One swipe here, a little spend there, charges you forgot about draining you slowly. Next thing I knew, I was overwhelmed with a large bill, and I couldn't even remember what I spent it on. But the day I started tracking every single dollar, everything changed. It was like flipping on the lights in a war zone. Suddenly I saw the leaks, the traps in the waste, and I took back control. This isn't some dull budgeting routine, but this is wartime strategy. This is you stepping up as the commander of your finances to dominate your life. So here's what you do. Get a notebook, download a finance app, print out your statements, start highlighting, categorizing, and assigning every dollar a mission. Because here's the hard truth. Money without direction disappears, but money with a mission, that's momentum. Every dollar should have a job and a target. When you do this, you stop reacting and start leading. You build strength, not just in your wallet, but in your mind. This step right here, it's how you stop losing the battle and start winning the war. Track your money like a general, because if you do this, sooner than later you will be in command of your cash, which will help build your empire. Step 3. The domino effect. Let's talk about strategy. You've got debt? Good. That means you've got something to conquer. Here's the move. Pay off the smallest debt first. Fast, vicious, and aggressively. Then take that same money and slam it against the next one. Each time you knock out a debt, you gain momentum, confidence, and clarity. That's the domino effect. When I paid off my first card, I felt in control instantly. It was like if weight dropped off my back. Each debt that I cleared added momentum. Before I knew it, the next one fell faster. Then, I was standing in the ruins of what used to keep me stressed and stuck. That's victory. Proverbs 22:7 says, "The borrower is slave to the lender." We weren't made for slavery, but we were made for freedom. So don't try to fix it all at once. Just tip the first domino and watch each fall. Let's get personal. What's been the hardest thing for you when it comes to money? Whether it's debt, spending, saving, or just feeling stuck? Drop it in the comments below. I want to hear from you, because this isn't just a video, but it's a movement of warriors rising up for purpose, power, and legacy. Your story matters, and you're not alone. I'll be reading the comments personally, and I'll make a video in the future to help you and others overcome the struggle. Be bold and be honest, because your breakthrough could start now. Step 4. Give first and grow fast. This step flips the world's logic on its head. We're taught to hold on, to store up, and to grip every dollar like it's our very last. But God's kingdom doesn't work like that. Luke 6:38 says, "Give, and it will be given to you." That's not just poetry, but that's a promise. Giving is spiritual warfare against greed, scarcity, and fear. When you give to your church, to someone in need, or to a mission that matters, you're saying, "I trust God more than I trust money." Track your money like a general, because if you do this, sooner than later you will be in command of your cash, which will help build your empire. Step 5. Walk in wisdom and not impulse. Impulse is the enemy of financial freedom. It whispers, just buy it, you'll figure it out later. But every time we react without thinking, we trade long-term freedom for a short-term fix. Proverbs 21:20 says, "The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down." Translation: the wise plan ahead while the foolish only consume. Here's the truth most people miss. Every financial decision is a spiritual decision. It reveals your discipline, your priorities, and your trust. Wisdom protects you and impulse depletes you. If you want to walk in financial freedom, slow down and lead your money. Don't let your money lead you, and continue to build with patience and wisdom. I leave you with this very important challenge this week. I want you to list every debt you have. Then, make sure you pick the smallest one and attack it with everything you've got. I also want you to track your spending for the next 7 days with no excuses. When you do this, you're going to feel that first wave of power hit. I promise you'll start to believe that you were born for more than only living paycheck to paycheck. When you do this, make sure to reach back out in the comment section and let me know how much this helped. Remember, you were never meant to bow to bills, and you were never created to struggle for scraps, but you were built to conquer, and it starts with mastering your money. This is your time. We're not only chasing financial freedom, but we're claiming it. Make sure you're subscribed and turn your notifications on, because we're just getting started. Stay vicious, stay victorious, and remember, you are a warrior. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Catch you in the next one.